Welcome back, dear friends and supporters. In today's video, we will be looking at how to add a custom gun skin to our FiveM server. Today, I'll be using the famous game Valorant and picking skins that are available through the GTA mods page. Let's dive in and get started. In GTA 5 mods, you will find a variety of gun skins. Make sure to get the appropriate gun and its skin, as there can be add-on gun skins which are slightly different. Download the skin from the website. The links I download today will be available in the description of this video. Once downloaded, let's create a folder for this gun skin before extracting. Create the folder and ensure it is referenced in server.cfg. Next, create another folder called Stream, and also create a Lua file called Resource, Lua. This is the FX manifest file. You can download the FX manifest from my Discord. Now, unzip the skin files and copy them into the Stream folder. Once done, make sure to fully restart the server and ensure the gun skin resource is running in TextAdmin. This Vandal skin was applied to our assault rifle. Always check the gun skin you are downloading to ensure compatibility. Now, pick up the gun, and you should see the skin equipped without any issues. Sometimes you might encounter some texture loss, which can occur due to server-side or client-side graphics settings. Now, let's add some more gun skins and do some rework on our folder structure. Now, I'm downloading a different skin for the same gun. When you extract it, remember to extract it as a folder. Copy and paste the extracted files into your desired folder. In this case, I'm using the gun skin folder. Watch carefully what I do next. Copy and paste the stream and resource files into the newly added gun skin folder, ensuring that it's fresh and doesn't contain any old files. Then, delete the stream and resource files from the main folder. Now, add the new gun skin files to the stream folder within the new gun skin folder. When you perform this process, make sure to ensure the main folder is referenced in server.cfg, or the files won't start. This method is useful when you have different guns with skins and want to keep them organized. Be careful not to create conflicts by adding skins for the same gun. After deleting the old skin, I'm also adding a new skin for the carbine rifle. Following same method. The carbine rifle skin was fully FiveM ready. All you need to do is drag and drop the inside skin folder into the gun skin folder, as it already comes with the stream and resource files. If you followed the video fully, the skin should appear in the game without any issues. As I mentioned, make sure you don't conflict different skins for the same gun. In our next video, we will explore how to add an entirely new gun to the FiveM game. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. My developer team is also working on a script that allows players to equip different skins for any gun they desire. Join our Discord for more updates. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful for adding and organizing custom gun skins in your FiveM server. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I am happy to announce that Coden has welcomed over 2,500 members, making it one of the biggest hubs for FiveM server developers and owners. Currently, we invite 100 new members every day. Our experienced developers and support team provide free assistance to all members who are struggling to set up their servers. All my videos with alert systems are included in the Discord, along with unique client codes and Discord server templates. A big shout out to my support team for their patience and around-the-clock dedication in providing free support. So why wait? Join our Discord and learn FiveM development together.